Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good today. We are going to give you a quick, easy, and unbiased review on secure.com. So, if you're curious to know about this website, watch the video till the end. It will be unbiased review shared with you. It was the website that is created on 12th July 2021 and it will expire on 12th July 2022. It was just registered for 1 year and it has a poor trust index that is just 1% out of 100. As far as trust rank is concerned, it is 14.9 out of 100, and we are unfortunate to find out any detail regarding the owners of the website. As far as Alexa ranking is concerned, it has 0 Alexa rating, and we are unfortunate again to find out its social media presence. As far as content is concerned, 90% content is copied, which is not a good sign. So it is actually an e-commerce store that holds a collection of pants, skirts, dresses, jewelry, soul game, and different item. It is based in United States. As we are discussing different parameters regarding secure.com, so we are also going to check out the positive aspect of this website. So we can see that they have mentioned their contact number, official address, store address on their official portal, and they have a huge collection of products available on their website. Security certificates secure the website, and there are so many payment modes options available. As far as negative points and aspects of this website are concerned, they are: the website is only 20 days old, it has a poor trust score, the website holds a very low trust rank, and the most of the content of the website is plagiarized, and the company address is not visible on Google Map, means the address is misleading us. So as we all know, customer reviews are very important for us to check out the legitimacy of any website. So in this case, we are unfortunate to find out customer reviews because we could not reach genuine reviews. So when we are winding up our discussion, we have few lines by which we can conclude the legitimacy. So we can say that it is a newly registered website, but it has a bad trust rank, poor trust index, and absence of genuine feedbacks, and no social media availability. So we can say that it is not a trustworthy website, so you must not buy anything from this store. And if you have any experience of shopping from secure.com, please do share your experience to help the other to know that it's not a legit store.